Boy, James putting in that work, man. So we're on the side of the fucking road. Nah, that's my next car right there. Damn, that's super nasty. What's up, guys? It's your boy Alpha Z34, and welcome to another banger, man. And today we are getting ready to head out to Texas 2K, man. All right, man. So we're getting ready to head to Texas 2K, man. As you guys can see, you know, got the trailer loaded up. It is flooding, man. It's just started slacking up a little bit right now, but it's definitely flooding and it sucks, dude. Gotta head back to my house. I had to pack up the turbo kit. The winner of the raffle actually wanted to meet me, so we had set up something where I'm gonna drop it off to him versus shipping. So yeah, man, we packed up the turbo kit. It's back there in the trailer as well as the build that we're gonna be racing out there at Texas 2K as well. Pretty much this video is just gonna consist of day number one, which is gonna be, you know, getting out there, going to meet up with my homie James. Shout out to you, James. I'll tag his name somewhere up here. So meeting up with my boy James, and once we meet up with him, we're gonna head out from there to Texas to our house that we have in Dallas for the week of Texas 2K. So super excited for that, man. It's gonna be a long day because, like I said, I've been working. It's gonna be a long day in general, a long night. We have about, I would say about 8.5 hours to get to his house. So I'll probably be at work for another couple hours, then I gotta bounce. But with that being said, man, I ain't gonna talk you guys to death. Let's get to it. Shit, look at that water, bro. The wind is cooking right now. That is crazy. Alright, guys, so we about to get going, man. It is cold outside. Got the truck in the trailer, but we about to get ready to head out. So yeah, he just started up this lag behind car. We got 6 hours till we get to the crib, so let's get it. What's up, guys? It's your boy Alpha Z34, and we are back, man. It's the next day. It is the next day, man, and you know what today means? Today is Texas 2K time, man.
Yeah, boy.
We about to have fun, man. This is about to be a vibe. With all that being said, though, we got about 5.5 hours. I was gonna top off with some fuel, but the gas station we stopped at nearby the house didn't have diesel. So I was like, you know what? We just gonna keep driving, and I should make it out for that one tank. But like I said, I do have this trailer behind me, so it's a hit or miss. I just don't like to run my tank too low, so we'll see. But with all that, man, I'm putting down this camera. I don't want to talk you guys to death. Like I said, it got a long 6 hours. And we'll see you guys whenever I get there. So yeah, man, let's get it. What's up, guys? So we have made it, man. We have made it home. It's been a long drive, extra 6 hours, but beyond all of that, man, obviously you guys can see, you know, I did the whole little trailer. You know what I mean? Got my vinyl sticker put there. Got my racing on the back. But yeah, man, so I don't want to shut up tired, but got my baby right here, looking good as always. Nah, I'm about to go in that video. Let's see. Sure. But yeah, this place is fire for sure, bro. It's about to be a vibe. It's gonna be a whole little house tour right here, but got the garage right there. Got one room here. Nice own bathroom and everything. Nothing crazy. Side door to get in. Got another bedroom right here. Another fire bedroom, right? Own bathroom. You got your upstairs. I'll show y'all that in a second. Washer, dryer room. This kitchen right here is fire, right? Got another little bathroom here. All this right there. You got the master bedroom, right? This is a whole vibe in itself. The master bedroom is crazy work, but nice vibe. Then the bathroom is crazy. The bathroom is crazy, bro. Look how big this glass is, dude. It literally takes up the whole wall. Like, that is crazy. Got a see-through shower, you know what I'm saying? Definitely vibes. Nice little jacuzzi. I don't know if that's a jacuzzi hot tub or not hot tub, bathtub. I don't know, don't care. It's fire. Little toilet in there. Closet's huge. Yeah, that shower is insane, bro. Then you have, let's show you guys the outside, man. Let's show you the outside. And then, cause I'm hungry, man. I'm about to go get something to eat. So we're gonna have to hurry this up. But yeah, man, got a nice pool. Look at that. Fire. Landscape, everything is definitely fire, right? Yeah, man, this is a vibe. Definitely a vibe. Come back in here. Got this nigga James. This is the best. Hey, oh damn, you done put a whole pound of sugar in that bitch. I'm gonna have to drop the video in the vlog so y'all can remember what I was talking about. That nigga, they're trying to kill everybody.
Don't worry about that.
But yeah, man, so we got upstairs. All these windows, you can kind of get out there, right? But got that window overlooking everything. Got an upstairs lounge area, you know, up here chill too. So pretty much you get sleep more people up here if you need to. Got his own bathroom up here. So essentially it's a whole nother room up here, essentially. Then you got up top, man. Or you can go out up top if you want to as well. So yeah, this place definitely a vibe, man. It's definitely a vibe. I like it. Like, this is crazy. You can't get no better than this, bro, in my opinion. I'm about to start bringing all my stuff in, and then I definitely need to unload the bike and stuff as well. So we're gonna have to end up doing that, but yeah, man, let's get it. You can't take niggas nowhere. In this bitch eat. Oh, by the way, guys, if y'all ain't been to OMG tacos, well, James put me on. This shit's fire, I ain't gonna lie.
This for your YouTube?
Yeah, nigga.
Wow. Why you guys zoom out?
Cause I have it on 1, but then when I go edit it and I post it, it seems like it's a little too zoomed in. So now I'm having it on 0.5. It's a little bit better. James putting in that work, man. I'm gonna tag him up below. I'm gonna tag him somewhere on the screen. All right, guys. So I got so my boy James, you know, he was in the military or whatever. And he loves guns. So got my guns right here. His is in the room, but we're gonna get my optic put on. I just picked this up, so we're gonna get that put on and put my brace back on. My other homie actually dropped it. And he had messed it up, so he broke my other sight. So I got another one. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to end up getting a newer lower. But right now, I mean, it's fine. It does the job still. It shoots and everything, so. V8 twin turbo. What's up, guys? So my boy Anthony just pulled up with his S7. That thing sounds good. Down. He got a 360 cam.
Hey, I don't know this dude. It's random. It's not fucking with him.
Yeah, he ain't got no camera. I'm trying to see if I see any like random lights on that bitch. I just want to see what he do. Alright guys, so we're on the side of the fucking road cause this nigga here decides to run out of some damn gas. out here putting in some gas.
Fucking saving, look.
15 degrees outside.
Continue straight for 12.2 miles to Walnut Hill Lane.
That bitch is riding, bro. Holy fuck. Yeah, that was a difference. Alright, guys, so this Viper's clean. He said he's not gonna race tonight. He said it's too cold. But I don't know why he ain't racing, bro. Get on his ass in the comments. Yeah, because you ain't running your car. You came all that way and ain't gonna run the car.
No, I got all week, bro.
True. Got a Drake built car. If you get gout, I'm kicking you in your nuts.
Man, hey, look, bro, it's TX2K.
Hey, thanks. That's my next car right there. Fucking Viper, bro. That's my dream car, bro. That's my dream, bro. They rare, they expensive, but tell me that ain't sexy, bro. I'll trade my Z in for it. And my truck. Alright, guys, so we about to try to get some recording in with some of the runs. My boy Nick racing, a couple other people racing. They got on right there. They got on. So we're gonna see if we can get a few recordings and stuff like that, but it's gonna be interesting, man. It's gonna be interesting. There's some badass cars out. It's just nighttime, so it's hard to see, but we're gonna see what we can get. Baby ended up. He shot plays that time. We gotta ask him for that footage. I seen it on the backside. That's Superman, that 1200. Yeah, I seen that car before. All right, guys, so we have made it back home. Super successful night, man. Homie's on the way home, so our boy Anthony's on the way home right now. Sure he had made it. He had just been on the phone with him right now. But yeah, man, as you guys can see, we are back. My baby's back. She didn't see no action today, but it's all good, man. It's all good. She gonna see some action tomorrow. Bunch of fast cars out, so we'll see. But with all that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we're gonna try to make it happen for y'all, man. I ain't even gonna go out there because it's cold outside, but yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you guys want to see, and we will see y'all in the next one. I'm out.